Now we are really excited to present the 2022 Arizona HIE Excellence Awards. All right, this is a tradition that we have had for our summit for a number of years, and it really is one of my favorite parts of the summit because we have an opportunity to really acknowledge leadership within our community, both at the individual level and at the organization level. There's a lot that organizations are doing today and individuals to advance HIE excellence. So first we will start with the HIE Excellence Leader Award that recognizes an outstanding individual whose leadership has helped advance healthcare through health information technology and health information exchange. I am pleased to announce that the recipient of this year's Arizona HIE Excellence Award is Jamie Snyder. Jamie, as many of you know, is the director of the Arizona Healthcare Cost Containment System, or ACCESS, the state Medicaid agency that provides healthcare coverage to 2.4 million Arizonans. Prior to being named ACCESS Director, she served as the Deputy Director for ACCESS and previously as the Medicaid Director for the state of Texas, a program that covered 4.7 million lives. She has over 20 years of public and private sector experience in the health and human services industries. Her areas of expertise include regulatory oversight, policymaking, and leadership development, stemming from her tenure in Texas, as well as her prior service at ACCESS, the Arizona Department of Health Services, and the University of Arizona Health Plans, where she functioned as the managed care organization's chief operating officer. Jamie's highlights at ACCESS include leading the state's Medicaid response to the COVID-19 public health emergency, overseeing unprecedented growth in the Medicaid program and ensuring stability for providers, implementing the ACCESS Whole Person Care Initiative, which great news resulted in ACCESS being recognized with the recent Medicaid Innovation Award from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. I think that was just last week. And developing and advancing housing and health opportunities demonstration waiver project. Now, with respect to her service in support of Arizona's HIE efforts, Jamie's further advanced HIE opportunities in Arizona, which have included advancing the Community Care statewide initiative as part of the Whole Person Care Initiative, which provides the SDOH closed-loop referral program and services to all Arizona healthcare providers, not just Medicaid, and all community-based organizations. And you'll hear more about that program this afternoon when Jamie will actually be here to moderate a panel on the topic. As you just heard from the last session, we continue to collaborate with ACCESS to expand the differential adjusted payment policies to further advance HIE connectivity for all Medicaid providers, including improving HIE data quality, advancing incentives for the Community Cares program, and as you just heard from Carla, the Arizona Healthcare Directives Registry. Under Jamie's leadership, we continue to, she has supported the advancement of the utilization and integration of clinical and claims data, with ACCESS being the first payer/health plan to submit all Medicaid claims as the first claims data submitter to the HIE, and initiating and supporting a variety of other collaborative and innovative projects that utilize HIE data to improve the quality of care and outcomes for Medicaid members. You heard some of those updates throughout the conference. So as the Arizona HIE, we are proud to support the innovative programs that ACCESS has designed to help Arizonans live healthier lives, and we're proud to present Jamie with this award. Accepting this award on Jamie's behalf is Kristen Chalicombe, the Deputy Director for Business Operations. Jamie is actually traveling this morning, and she will join us later this afternoon, so she will get her award then, but I'd like to welcome Kristen to the stage to accept the award and to make a few comments. Please join me in recognizing Jamie. Oh, got the wrong one. Let me give you the right award. Sure. Come over here for a quick stand. Sure.
Thank you, Melissa.
Hold it while you...
It's like the
the Academy Awards. I have to walk from a table, come up. Do I hold the award? Do I say my thanks? Hello, everyone. As Melissa said, I'm Kristen Chalicombe, Deputy Director for Business Operations for Access. On behalf of Director Snyder, who's traveling this morning but will be here at the summit later this afternoon, I share her gratitude in receiving this year's HIE Excellence Leadership Award. I know she'd acknowledge that while leaders get much of the credit, excellent leaders share that credit with their teams. I can tell you firsthand, Jamie excels as a healthcare leader because she leads with courage, strength, and empathy. Jamie shares the passion that Access employees and all of us here today feel about improving the healthcare experience for those we serve. Improving the individual experience and lowering costs through health IT takes vision. Jamie is a leader with vision of what whole person care means and how to achieve it. It takes technology, but it also takes dedicated Access and Contexture and all of you who are on the ground moving that needle forward. It takes all of us. Without Contexture and the health information exchange, exciting new tools like CommuniCares would not be possible. This closed-loop referral system has a potential to dramatically improve Medicaid members' lives. When individuals are connected to the services that can address housing, employment, food stability, social isolation, and other needs, true whole-person care can be realized. And this is only the beginning. So many thanks to Contexture for recognizing Director Snyder's leadership in health technology and innovation. And when you see Jamie later today, be sure to congratulate her personally. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
I'll give you the box later. Okay, and now for the HIE Excellence Organization Award. This honor recognizes an organization for outstanding innovation and achievement in advancing healthcare through health information technology and health information exchange. I am pleased to announce that the recipient of this year's HIE Excellence Organization Award is Arizona Complete Health. Arizona Complete Health, an Arizona HIE participant since 2015, is a model organization that utilizes data to drive interventions and services and address health equity. A subsidiary of Centene Corporation, Arizona Complete Health successfully utilizes data for provider scorecards, which allows their team to outreach to providers if there are concerns, as well as celebrate those who deliver the best value-based care. A health equity dashboard that includes the past 2 years' worth of data on HEDIS measures, coupled with their health equity committee that includes representation from health plan staff across the state. They meet monthly to discuss health disparities, strategies, and interventions. ACH utilizes data to identify populations where SDOH needs are high. Care managers identify high-risk members, conduct patient outreach, which fosters engagement, encourages early interventions, and helps prevent high hospitalization rates. As you heard yesterday in the panel presentation in the morning, ACH is also driving equity outcomes in diabetes management through data. From 2019 to 2020, they were able to decrease the disparity in HbA1c testing for individuals who identified as American Indian, Alaska Native, or Black. That included a 22% reduction in the disparities in HbA1c testing for their Native American population and a 42% reduction in the disparities for HbA1c testing for their African American population. They've had a variety of different interventions that have helped improve outcomes. They've had CBO partnerships for HEDIS and health equity trainings. They've had staff trainings on closing care gaps and cultural sensitivity, hosting and planning tribal conferences, provider trainings, meetings for providers with consistent focus on prevention measures and care gap closures, and scholarships for students that are pursuing degrees in human services and careers as community health workers. In addition to their data initiatives, ACH is extremely active in the community. A couple examples of that include community reinvestment grants, awarding grants on programs that focus on supporting underserved individuals, SDOH and health equity, and provider and stakeholder training on health equity, supporting marginalized individuals, and the importance of collecting and utilizing data to reduce and eliminate disparities. Arizona Complete Health is truly a leader in our community for improving care and health equity. Please join me in congratulating Arizona Complete Health as the recipient of the HIE Excellence Organization Award.
Awesome. First of all, I want to say thanks to everyone, and I also want to just say that I'm really honored to work for an organization that takes health equity so seriously. I think we all know that data for identifying individuals with health equity disparities is really difficult to get, and the organization has really made it a priority to ensure that we have that data and that we're using zip code level data in addition to our own data to be able to identify those disparities and make real differences. I wanted to invite Amy up on stage with me. Amy Diarapino leads our health equity efforts, and without her commitment to health equity and reducing those disparities, we would never really make the progress that we have in the organization. I also want to say thank you to Access and to Contexture, because they've been real partners in understanding health equity, providing vision, providing leadership, and allowing us to have the infrastructure and the types of services that we need to really reduce health equity disparities. So again, thanks to everybody, and really appreciate this.
Wonderful. This, again, is my favorite part of the summit, because I really love acknowledging and learning more about all the great work that our community partners are doing. So congratulations again to our HIE Excellence Award recipients.